In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Etsy shop URL or handle. On Etsy, you can't directly edit the web address itself. Instead, your shop URL is created from your shop name. That means to change the URL, you'll change the shop name, and Etsy will automatically update the link for you. The best part is that your old URL will redirect to the new one, so anyone using an old bookmark will still find your shop. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Etsy. Click the official result to go to the home page. If you're not already signed in, log into your account. Simply use your usual sign-in method and complete any verification prompts if they appear. If you're already logged in, you're good to go. Once you're in, head to your shop manager. This is your dashboard for everything related to your shop. From there, look to the left-hand menu and select Settings. This is where you control most of your shop's core details. Next, click Info and Appearance. This section contains your shop's public-facing information. Find the shop name area and click Change next to it. This is the action that updates the URL because the address is tied to the name. Enter your new shop name in the field provided. Keep in mind a few important rules. Your shop name can be up to 20 characters, it can't include spaces or punctuation, and Etsy will automatically check whether the name is available. If your first choice is taken or doesn't meet the rules, try a variation that still reflects your brand. Using capital letters can help readability since you won't have spaces. Aim for something simple, memorable, and easy to spell, and consider how it will look as part of a URL. When you're happy with the name, click Save. Etsy will prompt you to confirm that you want to make this change. Review the new name carefully. This is what customers will see and what will generate your updated URL. Then, confirm the change in the pop-up window. After confirmation, your shop name updates and your shop URL updates automatically to match. Give the page a moment to refresh. If needed, reload your browser to see the change reflected across your shop header and links. Remember, the old URL will automatically redirect to the new one, which helps you maintain traffic. Still, it's a good idea to start sharing the new link in your marketing, social profiles, and anywhere else your shop is listed. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Etsy shop URL by updating your shop name.